Okay, today I'm doing a review of these Laminas. They're silicone baking molds for dog biscuits. So they're in cute bone and shot and paw prints. So I don't know how many this will make. So I'm going to make a smaller batch since I've never made them and I don't know how much the dogs will like them. So I'm going to try a small batch first. So basically it's going to be made from wheat flour, cornmeal, water, vegetable oil, salt. That's actually, and an egg. That's actually the basic recipe, but I'm going to add a little bit of peanut butter to it also. So, I'm going to do the wet ingredients first. Okay, so we're going to do the egg, the water, and the oil. Well, you know these are for you. Alright. So it's one egg. It was since I'm doing a half a batch, it's one egg. It's a half of a third of a cup, which I'm not sure what that is, so I just guessed at it. And a half a cup of water. And then it's a half of a tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to guess that one also. Alright. You still in here? What are you doing? You can try these when they're done. Oh, yummy. Alright, so let's pour in our cornmeal and our wheat flour. Alright, so that's basically that, but I am going to add a little bit of peanut butter, because what dog doesn't love peanut butter, right? So, at this point, and these are pretty flexible, so I'm going to leave them on a cookie sheet so that I can get them in and out of the oven real well. So, I'm just going to scoop these in here. We'll make a half and half, however much it'll make. And then I'm going to bake them at 350 for 25 minutes. And we will let them cool down and see what everybody thinks about them. Alright. And see what they come out for. Alright, see you in a bit. Roxy, what are you doing? Come here. Come here. Don't you want to see the unveiling of your cookies? Huh? Did you hear Cookie? Okay, you ready? Yes, okay. Alright, so there we are. It should be done. We're going to take it out and give it a try. Alrighty. What do you think so far? Can you smell them? Can you smell them? So, silicone baking mats usually can be quite hot, just like metal ones. So don't think that they won't be hot just because they're silicone, because they are. So I'm just going to take these out. And I'm going to attempt to flip them onto here. Oh, did I drop some? Alright. You can have that, I guess. Okay. So again, that is hot. Alright, so those are my bones. We're going to let those cool down. And then let's take our little paw cookies over here. What do you think, Rexy? Okay. Yeah, you okay with that? Maybe I'll spill some more, you never know. I know, you never know. Okay. And those all just came right out, so that's pretty cool. So check out these little paw prints. Alrighty. Well, those look good. We're just going to let those cool down before you two get to try them. Maybe a little piece in here. Is that good stuff? Alright. So I have a feeling that they're going to enjoy these. They smell good. I might try one later. Alright. Well, when they cool down and we give them to the dogs, we'll let you have one more little peek. So thanks for watching. Alright, so our cookies are done and they're cooled down. And they're pretty cute. And Roxana Banana here is pretty interested in one, so I'm going to break it in half and I'm going to share it with her sister. So you guys can tell me what you think. Where's Bella? Bella? Come on. Let's go. Ooh, does that look good? Tell me what you think. Ooh. Is that good stuff? Did you like that? You want another one? Where's the cookies at? Where are they? Are they up there? Okay, one more. I'm gonna break it in half. I think I'm gonna try some of it. Not bad. There you go. Nice healthy dog treats you can make yourself. But they don't have to look ugly, they can still look cute.